In today's video, we're going to show you how to fit and scribe a thin strip along the top edge of our door frame when architrave cannot be fitted due to insufficient spacing. In our previous video, we added packer strips along our door frame so that our architrave lengths would sit flush. We'll be fitting our strips between these packers. So, start by measuring the distance between each packer strip and then cut our strip to size. Place our strip into position, overhanging a parallel amount ready for scribing. Measure the overhang from the inner door frame and then add the 8mm allowance, which is what we are setting our architrave back from the edge of our door frame. Then, with the distance we just gauged, use a set of packers with the same depth, using them to mark along our strip to match the profile of our ceiling, outlining what section we need to remove. Now we want to create an even amount of fixing points along the strip. Using these fixing points, fix into place on the edge of a cutting table, allowing the section we want to remove to overhang. Using a jigsaw, remove the section that we marked out. Once removed, check to see that our strip fits correctly, making any adjustments needed using a hand planing tool. If we are happy that everything aligns correctly, add a thin bead of wood joining glue along the back of our strip. Offer into place, and then fix into position. Then, using wood filler, fill in all our fixing points and allow to harden. Once hardened, sand any excess filler using a sander, ensuring that the filler matches the strip's profile. Then, to remove the gap between our strip and the ceiling, apply a consistent bead of caulking and wipe away any excess using our finger. Once the caulking is cured, our MDF strip can then be decorated. What we're left with is a nice clean finish around our doorway. For more tutorials, tips and tricks, consider subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our latest videos. We hope this video helped, and we'll see you in the next one.